Today, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful natural ingredients in the world, turmeric, also known as curcuma. This golden root has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, and today, science confirms its incredible health benefits. Do you already know all of them? Stick around until the end because I'm going to show you 10 benefits of turmeric that will surprise you. Plus, I'll teach you how to use it the right way to maximize its effects. Let's get started. Benefit 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory action. Turmeric is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to curcumin, its main active compound. Chronic inflammation is behind many diseases, such as arthritis, heart problems, and even cancer. Studies show that curcumin can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory medications, but without the side effects. If you suffer from joint pain or inflammation, turmeric can be a great ally. Fun fact: a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine showed that curcumin reduced inflammation in patients with rheumatoid arthritis as effectively as diclofenac, a common medication, but without the gastrointestinal side effects. How to use? You can add turmeric powder to seasoned vegetables, soups, or even rice. Another option is to make turmeric tea. Boil 1 cup of water, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and honey to taste. Drink it warm to relieve pain and inflammation. Benefit 2. Antioxidant that fights aging. Another incredible benefit of turmeric is its antioxidant action. It fights free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging and cell damage. This means turmeric not only helps keep your skin youthful and radiant, but also protects your body against degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Practical tip: you can make a homemade face mask with turmeric, honey, and natural yogurt for healthier, glowing skin. Apply it for 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Repeat twice a week for best results. Fun fact: a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology showed that topical application of curcumin significantly reduced signs of aging, such as wrinkles and spots, in just 4 weeks. Benefit 3. Improves heart health. Did you know turmeric can be a great friend to your heart? It helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increases good cholesterol, HDL. Plus, it improves blood vessel function and reduces the risk of clogged arteries. A study published in the American Journal of Cardiology showed that curcumin can reduce the risk of heart attacks by up to 65%. Amazing, right? How to use? Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your morning smoothie or use it to season roasted vegetables for a healthier heart. Another option is to mix turmeric with warm water and a pinch of black pepper for a quick and beneficial drink. Fun fact: a study conducted in India, where turmeric consumption is high, showed that the population has one of the lowest rates of heart disease in the world. Benefit 4. Boosts immunity. During cold and flu season, turmeric can be a great ally to strengthen your immunity. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that help your body fight infections. Plus, curcumin stimulates the production of defense cells, making your immune system stronger. Turmeric tea recipe. Boil 1 cup of water, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and honey to taste. Drink it warm to boost your immunity. You can have 1 to 2 cups a day, especially during winter or flu season. Fun fact: a study published in the Journal of Clinical Immunology showed that curcumin increased antibody production by 50% in people with weakened immune systems. Benefit 5: helps control blood sugar. For those with diabetes or prediabetes, turmeric can be a great help. Studies show that it improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This can prevent diabetes complications such as kidney and nerve damage. Scientific study: a study published in Diabetes Care showed that curcumin reduced the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 58% in people with prediabetes. How to use: add turmeric to your breakfast, like scrambled eggs or smoothies. Another option is to take curcumin capsules, but always consult a doctor first. Benefit 6: protects the brain and improves memory. Curcumin is one of the few natural compounds that can cross the blood-brain barrier, reaching the brain directly. There, it stimulates the production of BDNF, a protein that promotes the formation of new neural connections. This improves memory, concentration, and may even prevent diseases like Alzheimer's and depression. Practical tip: combine turmeric with omega-3 rich foods like salmon or chia seeds to enhance its brain benefits. Fun fact: a study published in the Journal of Psychopharmacology showed that curcumin improved memory and mood in elderly participants after 18 months of regular use. Benefit 7: aids digestion and liver health. If you suffer from digestive issues, turmeric can be the solution. It stimulates bile production, which is essential for fat digestion. Plus, it protects the liver against toxins and helps regenerate its cells. For those with gastritis or acid reflux, turmeric can also relieve symptoms. How to use: add turmeric to rice, soups, or sauces to improve digestion and protect your liver. Another option is to take a teaspoon of turmeric dissolved in warm water before meals. Fun fact: a study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology showed that curcumin reduced indigestion symptoms in 87% of participants after 8 weeks of use. Benefit 8: fights depression and anxiety. Curcumin has a powerful effect on the brain, increasing levels of serotonin and dopamine, the feel-good hormones. Studies show it can be as effective as some antidepressants in treating mild to moderate depression. If you struggle with anxiety or mood swings, turmeric can be a great natural alternative. Scientific study: a study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders showed that curcumin reduced depression symptoms in 67% of participants after 6 weeks of use. How to use: add turmeric to your daily tea or smoothie to improve mood and reduce anxiety. Another option is to take curcumin capsules, but always consult a doctor first. Benefit 9: prevents and fights cancer. Science has been studying curcumin's role in preventing and treating cancer. It helps inhibit tumor growth and destroy cancer cells without harming healthy ones. While it doesn't replace conventional treatments, turmeric can be a powerful complement. Fun fact: a study from the University of California showed that curcumin inhibited the growth of cancer cells in 80% of breast cancer cases. How to use: Incorporate turmeric into your daily meals or take supplements to enjoy its preventive benefits. Always consult a doctor for specific guidance. Benefit 10. Improves skin health. Last but not least, turmeric is a natural treatment for the skin. It helps fight acne, psoriasis, eczema, and even signs of aging. You can use it topically in homemade masks or consume it for healthier skin from the inside out. Face mask recipe. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of natural yogurt. Apply to your face for 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Repeat twice a week for best results. Fun fact: a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science showed that topical curcumin application reduced acne in 78% of participants after 4 weeks. How to use turmeric correctly. Now that you know the benefits, it's important to use turmeric the right way. Here are some tips. Combine with black pepper. Piperine, found in black pepper, increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Use with healthy fats. Curcumin is fat-soluble, so combine it with olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado. Dosage. The recommendation is 1 to 3 teaspoons per day. You can use it in cooking as capsules or as tea. Avoid excess. In large amounts, turmeric can cause gastrointestinal discomfort. Consult a professional if you have doubts. So, what did you think of these turmeric benefits? Do you already use it in your daily life? Tell us in the comments how it has helped you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips. Until next time, where we'll explore another incredible superfood. Take care and see you soon.